Hello, everybody. I hope you all are doing great. The journey of loving yourself is an endless journey. It goes on till the last breath of our life. Basically, when we start loving ourselves, we start knowing ourselves a little more. And knowing yourself is such an unfolding, it's such an unraveling of immense energies, of different kind of strengths that you have inside of you. The mystery that is you, and you get to unfold the mystery of your own self. What could be more fascinating than that? Like I always say, it is quite a task to fall in love with yourself, because all the time, since the beginning, the moment we were born on this planet, the moment we started having relationship with other people, the only thing we were ever told, and the way our minds have been conditioned, is that we need to love others, we need to do things for others, we need to go according to certain norms of the society. समाज में जो होता है उसके हिसाब से हमें रहना पड़ता है, उसी हिसाब से हमें चलना पड़ता है. कुछ सेट पैटर्न्स हैं जो हमें फॉलो करने पड़ते हैं, एक तरह का लाइफस्टाइल जीना पड़ता है, क्योंकि इसी तरह हम अपने पेरेंट्स को जीते हुए देखते हैं, अपने बड़ों को करते हुए देखते हैं. सो वी यूजुअली एंड अप following the same patterns all the time, and what we do is we end up losing ourselves somewhere in the middle of all that. So when you are born as a little child, and उसके बाद धीरे धीरे जब आप एक consciousness gain करते हैं, when you start knowing the world around you, I think the first and foremost thing we should always do for ourselves, that is our responsibility towards ourselves, is that once again we need to start knowing ourselves, we need to start reanalyzing who we are. We always need to go inside to find that person, and what is that person born for, what is the purpose of us on this earth. We are sent on this earth, and everybody has a very different purpose. So as we grow up, as we come to know about ourselves, as we become intellectually more perceptive, we become emotionally more perceptive towards our surroundings, towards the people around us, towards our own feelings, emotions, our thoughts. It is our very utmost responsibility and foremost responsibility to start that journey of going deeper inside, to find ourselves, the real nature, the real characteristics that we possess, the real attributes and the qualities that are hidden inside us, and with those qualities we will be able to serve the purpose that we are born for. So how do we love ourselves? Like I've been talking about self-love. तो सबसे पहले तो कोशिश करते हैं ये जानने की कि जब हम किसी और से प्यार करते हैं, हमारा कोई अजीज़ होता है, हम उससे प्यार करते हैं, how do we express our love to them? What is the journey we take with the people whom we love to express our love for them? How do we stay in love with them? So this is the process I'm going to discuss with you today. जब हम किसी से प्यार करते हैं तो अपने प्यार को सबसे पहले शब्दों के सहारे एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. We always have to say that we love the other person, we love you, I love you. These are the kind of words that that actually express our love, that reimpose our love, and it actually manifests our love to the other person. The other person is able to see, okay, these are the words, and these words come from a place of feeling, they come from a place of immense emotions. So we put it in words, we put our love in words, and we express our love for the other person. Similarly, we need to do the same thing to ourselves, our soul, our mind, our body. We need to tell it. We need to say to ourselves that we love ourselves. मुझे खुद से प्यार है. I love myself. कितनी बार हम ऐसा कर पाते हैं, ऐसा बोल पाते हैं? नहीं. हम दूसरों के लिए हमेशा ईगर रहते हैं अपना प्यार एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए, पर अपने लिए नहीं कर पाते हैं. So start doing that from today itself. Start expressing your love for yourself. Say to yourself, stand in front of the mirror, look at yourself in the eyes and say that you love yourself. I love me. I am so special. I love myself. And then what we do? What we do for the people we love. The other things that we do for them to express our love for them, so that the relationship of the bonding, that bonding of love becomes stronger. What we do is we start caring for them. We start doing little gestures for them, which show them that हम वाकई में उनका बहुत ध्यान रखना चाहते हैं. हम उनके बारे में प्रोटेक्टिव हो जाते हैं, so that they don't get hurt. हम उन्हें दुनिया की हर बुरी चीज़ से बचा के रखना चाहते हैं. जिन लोगों से हम खूब प्यार करते हैं, हम उन्हें कितना संभाल के रखते हैं, है ना. हम चाहते हैं कि वो किसी तरह की भी एडवर्सिटीज़ को फेस ना करना पड़े, और हम चाहते हैं कि वो लोग स्ट्रॉन्ग हों और हम उन्हें स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाने में उनकी मदद करें. वी वॉन्ट दैट पर्सन टू बी द वाइजेस्ट वन. We want the person we love to be most intelligent. We want that person we love to be most good looking, to have a very, very amazing personality. And we want to protect that person all the time, care for that person all the time, and be there for that person. And most importantly, we always want to make that person feel worthy, feel valuable, feel that we respect them. कि उन्हें हम इज़्ज़त देते हैं. जिनसे हम प्यार करते हैं, सबसे पहली चीज़ है कि हम उनकी इज़्ज़त करना शुरू कर देते हैं. तो कितनी सारी चीज़ें करते हैं ना, हम अपने हर एक्शन से उनके लिए अपना प्यार जस्टिफाई करते रहते हैं. हम अपनी हर हरकत में, अपने हर शब्द में कोशिश करते हैं कि हमारा प्यार झलकता रहे उनके लिए. We do so many wonderful things to express our love for other people. And isn't that amazing? Don't you think कि अगर यही सब चीज़ें हम अपने लिए भी करें तो कितना बाकमाल हो जाएगा? I mean, it will be just such an amazing thing. It will make us feel so much stronger if we actually start caring for our inner self. जैसे कि हम दूसरों की केयर करते हैं. अपना ध्यान रखें, अपनी इमोशनल नीड्स का ध्यान रखें. जिस प्यार की क्रेविंग हम दूसरों से करते हैं, जो प्यार हम दूसरों में ढूंढते हैं, वो प्यार हम खुद में ढूंढें, हम खुद से वो प्यार करें. अपनी सोल को, अपने माइंड को, अपनी बॉडी को रोज़ नरिश करें, इसका ध्यान रखें. हमारे हर जेस्चर में हमारी कोशिश होनी चाहिए कि मेरा माइंड, मेरी बॉडी, मेरा हार्ट, मेरी थॉट्स, मेरी फीलिंग्स, ये मेरी जो काया है, ये मेरा जो पूरा बीइंग है, ये हर्ट ना हो. मैं इसे दुनिया की हर बुरी चीज़ से, हर नेगेटिविटी और बैड वाइब्स से बचा के रखूं. ये हमारी अपने तरफ एक बहुत ही बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है. तो जितना प्यार आप दूसरों से करते हैं, आप एक बार खुद के लिए ये सब करके देखिए. एक बार खुद से ये प्यार करके देखिए, तो आप देखेंगे दैट जो आनंद आपके अंदर से फूटेगा, जो खूबसूरती आपके अंदर से फूटेगी, एंड इट विल रिफ्लेक्ट इन योर ऑरा. आपके चेहरे पे एक तेज रहेगा, आपकी बातचीत में एक ऐसी स्ट्रेंथ रहेगी, ऐसी इफेक्टिवनेस रहेगी that people will want to hear you, people will want to listen to you, people will want to be with you. But the only step you have to take is to start caring for yourself the way you would care for the person you love the most. So be someone who loves himself the most, who loves herself the most. It took me honestly quite many years to realize that मुझे अपने आप से प्यार करना सीखना। तब तक शायद बहुत बार मेरा दिल टूट चुका था, बहुत बार मैंने बहुत ठोकर खाई। I saw a lot of obstacles in life. Everybody goes through all of that, and I went through a lot of emotional traumas. And it led me to a path wherein today I am in a journey where I am discovering myself. I am trying to fall in love with myself for the very first time in my life. For the very first time in my life, I am trying to put myself before everybody else. I am trying to prioritize myself, because if I start prioritizing myself, if I start making myself feel good, I'll be able to spread a lot of happiness to others. I will be able to do a lot more for other people. I'll be able to follow the dream that I have, that I want to do so much for the underprivileged people, for the have-nots. But to actually reach somewhere with that dream, to actually reach at a position where I can help maximum number of people feel that love, feel that compassion, the first thing I'll have to do is I'll have to be compassionate to myself, and I'll have to start loving myself all the more, which I have started doing. So, look after yourself, try and fall in love with yourself. आप अपनी कमियों के साथ, अपने गुणों के साथ, अपने हर अच्छी बुरी आदत के साथ प्यार करना सीखिए. Start being comfortable with your own self, and you will see the world changing around you. You will see that you will become so much more attractive as a person, and you will attract a lot of love, a lot of positivity in your life. Have a wonderful day, and I hope you all are with me in this wonderful journey of loving your own self. Bless you all, stay happy and stay in love with yourself.